Java 24 was released on March 18, 2025. It is a non-LTS Java release following Java 23 and before Java 25 LTS release. So feature status, why important? Stream gatherers. The status is final, and why it is important? More powerful stream operations. Class file API final, programmatic manipulation of class files. Scoped values final, better alternative to some thread local use case. Flexible constructor bodies. Final, more flexibility in constructor. Primitive type in pattern preview. Pattern. It's preview and pattern matching with primitives. Then structured concurrency. It's a preview and easier management of concurrent tasks. Virtual threads. Final, ongoing lightweight concurrency. Ahead of time, class loading and linking. That is experimental, faster startup. Generational Shenandoah final, bitter garbage collection behavior. Let's understand the important one simply. Stream gatherers. This is probably the most important Java 24 feature for developers. Before Java 24, Java streams had operation like map, filter, sorted, reduce, collect, but sometimes you need a custom intermediate operation that doesn't fit these existing operations. Java 24 makes stream gatherers permanent. So earlier we also see Java stream gathers in Java 23 as well. So, but they are the preview features there. Here it is permanent. So suppose we have list integer number list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We want to group consecutive elements into batches of 2. So conceptually, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A gatherers let you define such custom stream behavior. Numbers.stream.gather, gatherers.window fix 2 for each system.out println. Output conceptually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why useful? Before gatherers, developers often had to write custom collectors, maintain state manually, use loops, create complicated stream logic. So gatherers provide a standardized way to create custom intermediate stream operations. Stream gatherers allow developers to define custom intermediate operations in Java Stream. Java 24 finalized a stream gatherers API, making operational such as fixed sliding windows and custom stateful transformation easier to implement. Second change is class file API. Java 24 finalized the class file API. Java programs are compiled into .java, javac, .class. The .class file contains JVM bytecode and metadata. Previously, developers often used third-party libraries such as ASM or ByteBuddy to inspect or manipulate class files. Java now provides an official API for this. Conceptually, Java source, javac, class file API, inspect, transform. Where is it useful? Especially for framework developers, bytecode manipulation, Java agents, compilers, profilers, build tools, JVM tooling. For example, tools such as framework that dynamically modify classes can benefit from this API. The class file API provides a standard Java API for reading, parsing, generating, and transforming JVM classes files, reducing the need for third-party bytecode libraries for many use cases. Third change is scoped values. Scoped values are designed to provide a way of sharing immutable data within a bounded execution scope. You can think of them as an alternative to some uses of thread local. Thread local traditionally, thread local is string user, new thread local. You set a value user.set James and later user.get. This can become complicated with large number of threads and especially with modern concurrency. Scoped value conceptually, scoped value user, string user, scoped value dot new instance, scoped value dot where user James run system dot out dot println user dot get output James. The value exists only within that scope. Think scoped value, scope start, task 1, task 2, task 3, scope end. Why useful? Particularly useful within virtual threads, structured concurrency, request context, authentication context, tracing IDs. Scoped value provide a safe and efficient mechanism for sharing immutable data across methods and tasks within a bounded scope, especially in concurrent applications. Flexible constructor bodies, fourth change. Java 24 finalized flexible constructor bodies. Previously, Java required the superclass constructor invocation super to happen before most constructor statements. Java 24 gives constructors more flexibility by allowing certain statements to execute before the explicit constructor invocation. For example, conceptually, child class extend parent child int value. If value is less than 0, throw new illegal argument exception super value. The important point is that Java can now perform certain validation or preparation before calling the superclass constructor. Why it's useful? It can make constructor cleaner when you need to. Validate parameters, prepare values, calculate constructor arguments, perform certain initialization logic. Fifth change is primitive type in patterns. This is a preview feature in Java 24. Java has increasingly powerful pattern matching. For example, if obj instance of integer I system.out.println I. Java 24 explores extending pattern matching to primitive type. The goal is to make pattern matching work more naturally with int, long, float, double, boolean, char while handling conversation and range issues safely. This is the part of the broader evolution of pattern matching in Java. Structured concurrency, the sixth change. Structured concurrency is still a preview feature in Java 24. The idea is to make concurrent tasks behave like a structured block of code. Suppose an API request needs three independent operations: request, get user, get orders, get recommendations. Traditionally, concurrency can become difficult to manage. Structured concurrency tries to make it parent task, child task 1, child task 2, child task 3. The parent controls the lifetime of a child task. This makes cancellation, error handling, task lifecycle, concurrency management much easier. Why especially important? Because Java now has virtual threads. So modern Java concurrency is moving towards virtual threads plus structured concurrency plus scoped values. This feature work well together. Virtual threads, 7 change. Virtual threads were introduced as a preview feature earlier and become final in Java 21. Java 24 continues to improve the virtual thread ecosystem. A traditional platform thread is relatively expensive. Virtual threads are extremely lightweight. Instead of one request, one expensive OS platform thread, you can have 10,000 requests, 10,000 lightweight virtual threads. Example, thread.start virtual thread, system.out.println running in virtual thread. So this is extremely important for high concurrency backend application. For a Spring Boot application, virtual thread can be useful when you have workload involving lots of HTTP calls, database calls, IO, network operations. So 8 changes ahead of time class loading and linking. Java 24 also introduced improvements around ahead of time AOT class loading and linking. Normally Java work happens during application. JVM works happen during application startup. Conceptually, application start, load classes, link classes, application ready. AOT techniques try to perform some of this work ahead of time. The goal: less startup work, faster startup. This can be particularly interesting for cloud application, serverless, then containers, applications that frequently restart. 9 changes generational Shenandoah. Shenandoah is a low-cost garbage collector. Java 24 makes generational Shenandoah final. The basic idea of a generational GC is object, young object collected frequently, old object collected less frequently. Most Java objects are short-lived. For example, user, new user. The object may be created and become unreachable quickly. Generational GC takes advantage of this behavior. Goal: better GC efficiency, throughput, memory management, application performance, while preserving Shenandoah's low pause characteristic. Stream gatherers, custom intermediate stream operation, class file API, official API for dot class file manipulation, scope value, scope, immutable context, alternate to some thread local use cases, flexible constructor bodies, more flexibility before super this methods, structured concurrency, parent child task, better life cycle plus cancellation plus error handling. Also know generational Shenandoah AOT class loading and linking primitive types and patterns. So Java 21 to 25, it's a recap. Java 21 LTS version, virtual threads, sequence collections, pattern matching improvements, record patterns. Java 22 is foreign function and memory API, stream gatherers preview, structured concurrency preview. Java 23, stream gatherers second preview, structured concurrency third preview, primitive type in patterns preview. And Java 24 is a stream gatherers final, class file API final, scoped value final, flexible constructor bodies final, structured concurrency preview, primitive type in patterns preview, generational Shenandoah final. So this is all till Java 24. Thanks for watching.